Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal, and I've got this sweet new beanie. It's not really that new. I've had it. It just hasn't been that cold that I felt like I needed to wear it, but it is today. And my neighbors have put out a couch, so I guess I got a new couch for Christmas. That's kind of weird. But I'm heading to work actually, and since I hadn't done a post about the Vanderhall in a little while, I thought I would. I've had a little trouble because everybody rides around on their four-wheelers and their dirt bikes and stuff. So in front of the house here, it's super muddy. You can't really tell, but you can see like the tracks coming into the driveway from Tony's car, where he's been driving through the neighborhood and he's had to deal with driving through the mud. And that's a problem in a Vanderhall because you got, well, mine, I don't have any fenders, but just the fact that it kicks up little stuff anyways, even if you do have fenders, it goes everywhere. So I've got this sweet mud trail thing going on, like, it's pretty awesome. Don't mind this. This is not my bicycle, I swear. Just like that's not my scooter back there. Bromax, yes. Little scooter, no. Bicycle, no. Those aren't mine. So those are just presents I'm storing, so not mine. Anyways, so yeah, mud on the tires, and it's kind of a pain. It kicks it up onto the back of the car as well. But you know, kids are having fun, I guess, but it's kind of annoying. So we're gonna get a cold start on the Venice this morning, and it's pretty chilly. All right. The new GoPro Hero 8. I got it from my work as a Christmas present, which is awesome. And hopefully the audio is really good. I haven't tested anything on it yet. We're literally going for a ride for the very first time with the 8. I'm going to try it without the little windsock I usually put on the camera, so that I can see how much wind reduction it has, if that's the right term. So we're going to test that out today. I'm going to do a little comparison from behind the wind wings into out here where it's not blocking it, so you can also see how much wind this blocks. It's pretty impressive. So anyways, we're gonna get on the road, do a little comparison with that just to show you guys what's going on with that, and then you know, go to work on Sunday. That's not super fun, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, see you in just a second. So we're cruising along doing about 60. So we'll see how this audio comes through. I might see if I can find another clip and compare it to one before with the windsock on the Hero 7. So we can compare a 7 versus an 8, but we'll see. Anyway, so I also want to check this, the wind wing that I make, and just give you an idea how much it's blocking. So here's the audio from behind it, and then coming out from the side of it. So obviously I haven't checked the audio on that comparison, but I'm sure it's night and day difference. Just give you an idea how much that really is keeping off of me and my body, my head and my face. You know, before I have those on, or if I just pull it in, the amount of wind that I get blowing on my face is just crazy. So I mean, those are definitely good to have. Again, there's nobody that makes them. Like, I make them, hand make them for people, or I have. And there's another guy, Edward Morgan, that makes them. Hopefully he doesn't mind if I shout him out. But, you know, he makes some. his are a little bit different than mine. Mine you can take on and off real quick. His bolt on through the windshield mount, so you can't just detach them. Maybe you don't ever want to detach them, I don't know. But anyways, that's the only real difference. Otherwise, his are pretty nice too. Use the same hardware, same hinges and everything from what I can tell. So anyways, so that's really all. I just wanted to show you a comparison on that. And you know, I'm gonna enjoy my drive into work. Alright, so that's it for today. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change.